To avoid tolls in Google Maps, start by opening the Google Maps application on your device. Once the app is open, enter your destination in the search bar and select the start and end points of your journey. Before you begin navigation, tap on the 3 vertical dots or the menu icon and select Route Options. In the Route Options menu, you will see a checkbox that says Avoid Tolls. Check this box to ensure that Google Maps provides you with a route that avoids toll roads. Additionally, you can also choose to avoid highways or ferries if you prefer to take alternative routes. Selecting these options will help you customize your route according to your preferences and requirements. After selecting your route options, tap on the Start button to begin navigation. Google Maps will then provide you with turn-by-turn directions to your destination, avoiding toll roads as per your selection. It is worth noting that while Google Maps can help you avoid tolls, it may not always provide the most efficient route. In some cases, taking a toll road may be faster, so it is essential to weigh the pros and cons of avoiding tolls before making your selection. To get the most out of Google Maps and avoid tolls effectively, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. This will ensure that you have access to the latest features and the most accurate route information. By following these steps and using the Avoid Tolls feature in Google Maps, you can easily navigate through unfamiliar areas without incurring unnecessary toll expenses. This feature is particularly useful for road trips or daily commutes where tolls can add up quickly.